Salam, salam. This is Unity, and this is a quick Unity tip mixing paints. So I needed a burgundy paint, and I have a burgundy paint. I just didn't feel like going over a big spot where I have my paints at to get some paint. So I said, well, let me mix some paints together to make the color that I need. So I needed a burgundy paint. If you look over here, y'all see all that. I didn't have a burgundy. I had like this red, but it's a glossy, and I needed a matte. So what I did, I took some red and I took some blue. Right here, this color is beautiful, more like an eggplant. It had more blue than red, so it came out like an eggplant. So if you mix red and blue together, but add more blue, you'll get like a pretty eggplanty. So I needed a burgundy. You just get the red and you mix a little blue. And then I get the color I needed because I'm painting them right there. If y'all see that over there. And this came out exactly like I want. So you see how you get two colors if you mix too much more and then you mix less. So a lot of red, a little blue, a lot of blue, a little red. You got two different colors. So I just want to share that tip with y'all. All right. Salam, salam.